In this video, I will introduce how to execute co-creation sessions in a hospital setting, based on 3 cases. I will conclude the video by summarizing the key takeaways. 2 cases focused on the pulse oximeter, a device that measures oxygen levels in the blood. The first case addresses the use of a hybrid pulse oximeter, and the second focused on a reusable pulse oximeter. The third project examined the circularity of biopsy forceps. These are medical devices used in endoscopic procedures. During co-creation session, the facilitator aimed to understand the current situation and identify potential solutions. 7 people participated in this session, and it lasted 1 hour. Mapping the current product journey in the hospital helped the structure of the session, and it has 3 parts. 1. Understanding the current situation. 2. Identifying barriers to using reusable pulse oximeters. And 3. Developing potential solutions. The session generated valuable input, with most ideas focused on storage improvements, sensor durability, packaging, and cleaning processes, and also the overall workflow. Each stakeholder contributed to specific priorities. Medical instrumentation emphasized standardization and testability. Clinical physicists focused on balancing reliability and cost. Infection prevention prioritized dust-free and easy-to-clean sensors, and nurses valued quick access and organized storage. Now, we move on to case 2. During co-creation session, the facilitator presented the developed system and a product solution for the reusable pulse oximeter. The goal was to validate this proposal and explore additional solutions. 3 healthcare professionals participated in this session. The session followed 3 steps: sharing the research results, introducing the key problems, and proposing potential solutions. This session generated actionable ideas, such as monthly sensor redistribution, the need for safer sensors, improved label placement, and shifting cleaning tasks to trained facility staff. The session also facilitated valuable knowledge exchange. Participants contributed to practical solutions and responded particularly well to the tangible prototypes and the real images of the medical device. In case 3, the facilitator aimed to develop a system that enables the reusability of the hybrid biopsy forceps. To achieve this, we held a co-creation session focused on generating a circular product journey within the hospital. This tool is a map which shows the endoscopy ward in hospital and the external partners, along with a token list showing actions, actors, and products. The session was structured around 5 tasks representing the full life cycle of the forceps, using the instrument, disassembling and disposing, cleaning the handle, storing and assembling, and finally recycling. For each task, participants discussed who does it, what happens, and where it happens, which is revealing the realities of the current workflow. A circular system was designed for the hybrid biopsy forceps, including how they could be cleaned and circulated within the hospital and the practical requirements of each department. Co-creation helps us align and gain a deeper understanding of the problem, leading to more realistic solutions. It allows stakeholders to share their perspectives, highlights their values, and build support for sustainability. Through co-creation, we achieve higher quality solutions with clearer priorities. Most importantly, co-creation sessions and their outcomes demonstrate that sustainability can be implemented in hospitals in a tangible way, rather than as an abstract concept. Co-creation works best when we build relationships and trust within the hospital context throughout the process. That is why it is so important to be embedded in the hospital context. Co-creation sessions needs to have a clear structure and materials that are tailored to the context. It is important to present contextual research findings and potential directions as a conversation starter. Participants need to engage with the problem in a visual and tangible way. Using medical device prototypes, maps, real images, and medical devices helps achieve this. Set a clear expectation, establish a shared goal, and create a safe, comfortable environment for sharing. Encourage reflection and discussion, capture emerging insights, and stay mindful of hierarchy, mindsets, and needs and potential tensions of the participants. Thank you for listening.